Show and tell time. What? So there is a product, very inexpensive, called Rub'nBuff. And that's what I'm rubbing on the metallic areas of all these prints. And it lets you leave some of the black primer show through, because you're not going to really put it on heavy, you just kind of rub it on. Oh man, this is going to be so cool. I'm getting my hardware together for this little guy. It's my ultimate fidget toy ever. Beastmaster, thank you so much again, my friend, for sharing that file. So what do we think? I kind of like just the flat black, but I had a lot of fun doing this. You know, I did her necklace, base a little heavier, obviously the hair and the necklace. But I don't know, that's pretty awesome just by itself. Buckaroo Banzai. If you know me, you know I love that movie. Oh yeah, these guys, here we go. Turned out great. They look very different. Of course, the coup de gras. This crazy size rose dragon. All right, well, I'm officially out of resin. So until more resin comes, I'm gonna take a break, I guess. A couple more things to paint, but pretty psyched. I mean, yowza.